Okay, welcome, future entrepreneurs, affiliate email marketers. Guys, this is me, Marlon Bennett. I want to thank you guys and welcome you inside of the Leads Leap Capture Page Club membership. What we're going to do in this video, guys, the very first video is I'm going to show you guys how to create your first list inside of Leads Leap. And I'm actually going to give you guys a free gift. Now, you have to be upgraded inside of Leads Leap to accept this free gift. You can accept it, but in order to implement it, you have to be an actual upgraded member. And I'm going to give you guys a 30-day email follow-up campaign, okay, using a share code, okay? So, we'd like to talk about these infamous, or should I say famous, actually, 7-second share codes. And I'm going to actually use a share code after I show you guys how to create your list. And I'm going to show you guys how to take that share code and pop a 30-day follow-up email campaign into the very first list. This may be your very first list. It may be your second list. It doesn't matter, guys. I got all you guys covered. You will find everything that you need inside the club. And so we're going to go through this video because part of this process starts with the list building, okay? So we're going to click and go inside of Leads Leap, guys, and we're going to log in. And I'm going to show you guys just how simple and easy this actual process can be, okay? So the very first thing you want to do is get on your dashboard, okay? Get on your dashboard, guys, and come down from the left-hand side to the list manager, okay? Now, once you're inside of the list manager, guys, I want you guys to see where it says add a new list right here. I want you guys to come right up here and click that because we're going to add a new list. And just for the sake of this video, we're going to keep this really short. I'm just going to call this new list Club Membership, okay? Club Membership. And I'm going to come over here on the right-hand side. I'm going to click to add it, and that list is now added. Let me enlarge my screen just a little, and you guys will see I have to activate the actual list because if you look off over to the left, you'll see the Club Membership, that list that I just added. This is how you add a new list to your Leads Leap membership. And over here, it says you have to activate the actual list. So I'm going to click to activate it. And you'll see the list customization. It'll populate. And what you need to do, guys, is come all the way down, right? And fill out all of these fields. Okay, you have to do that. You have to prove that you're a real person. So what you're going to do, this is optional in terms of the brand name and the logo. But I'm going to go through it anyway, just in case you guys ultimately want to get in here and start loading images and things of that. I'm going to go on and cover it right here in this video. So if you wanted to brand yourself right out the gate, right where it says use image in the first block, let me just click use image and it'll open up your editor, guys. And you know I got all kinds of pages and all kinds of images inside of my editor. And I'm just saying, whatever you want for your brand, whatever you want for your logo, okay, you could just do what I'm doing right now, and you could come in here, got a few pictures of my daughter, and you could just come in and you could just pop that logo right in, whatever it might be, right? And you can see I just did that. That's just if you want to do some customization there. The next thing I want you to do, right, and this is also optional, is show a link after verification, after someone opts into your email list, right? You don't really have to do that, so we're going to skip that right now, and we're going to go on down to email me, right, when someone opts in. If you want notifications when somebody opts into one of your lead capture pages, guys, then click yes, okay? Now, it's going to let you know you're going to get a lot of emails, guys, letting you know that somebody opted in. If you don't want to do that, don't click the button. Say okay if you do. And so when people opt into your email subscribers list, you'll get an email verification. The next thing you want to do, guys, is come down here and put your name, okay? I think mine's already populated on the right because I'm already a member. And once your name in, you want to put your real email address, guys, your real email address. Hopefully it's a Gmail account that you have. And once you've done that, you're going to click to actually have the system, SendSteed, inside of Leads Leap, send you a code. I'm auto-verified because I'm already a member, but if you're not, it's going to send you actual verification code right to your email inbox, right? And when you get that code, you need to come down here and you'll see mine is already in there. You need to put that code inside of his email, the email verification code right inside that block right there, okay? Your physical address has to be listed, guys. I don't think post office boxes work. If they may, you can try it. It'll let you know. Put your physical address. Now, guys, when we get down here to the email signature, I want you to tick off all these boxes. Why? Because in the future, even if you don't do it right from the start, guys, you're going to want to have a welcome email that's included in this share code that I'm going to give you guys, an email series, and you want to be able to broadcast your list any time of night and day. So go down and tick all three of those boxes. And next, I want you guys to watch this because we're going to create a signature, okay? So we're going to open the editor so we can create our signature. Now, this could be anything you want it to be, right? But make sure the reason why you want to create a signature is because every time a person gets an email from you, this signature and whatever link should you choose to use one will populate at the bottom of your email, okay? So you guys know one of my favorite mantras is start unknown, finish unforgettable. And naturally, I'm going to put my name, right? And I'm going to put digital entrepreneur, guys, because that's what I am. I'm a digital entrepreneur. So I got start unknown, finish unforgettable. And then, guys, you can take a link. It can be any link you want. I'm going to go over to 1 Million Ways to Market and pick up my 1 Million Ways to Market link, okay? Because it can be anything you want it to be, but this is what I'm using in this example. And I'm going to paste it right there, right? 1 Million Ways to Market, because I want that to follow inside of my email signature. Every time an email goes out from this list, 1 Million Ways to Market, I will take my prospects back over to 1 Million Ways to Market, which is a great place to go get some great advertising. You don't have to highlight it and link it, but you see the little chain link up here. I always do that. Come to the chain link. After you highlighted the link inside of the body of the signature like that, and then you update it, guys, okay? It's just that simple, and you'll see that my 1 Million Ways to Market signature is done. And then, guys, by activating this list, you have to read this and check this box, right? By activating this list, you agree to the following, okay? And read through this whole thing, and after you've done that, guys, you're simply going to save and activate, and the list is now activated, guys. That's how simple and easy it is to activate a list. So now that you've done that, I want you guys to come back to your list manager, okay? And you'll see there's the club membership, right? And I just created that list, and now it's activated. If you look over to the right, you'll see this list is now active. But there are no emails in this list, and this is where the share code is going to come in. Now, let me say something really quick before we get into that. Guys, I love share codes for email follow-up campaigns. They're great. You can use them when you start out. But ultimately, you want to get in the habit of writing up your own emails, speaking in your own voice. Now, these emails that I'm going to give you guys, you can take them and you can tweak them. You can edit them a little bit. It's just something to get you started. So you have to go in and write up 30 days worth of emails. Once they're done, however, you have to go in and edit these emails out, guys. Okay, you have to edit them out. So keep that in mind because it's going to be very, very important. Now let's jump back inside the Leads League. Let's get back to the membership, if I could, and we're going to take that share code, and we're going to use that share code, right? And we're going to make sure that we paste that share code in, guys. So we're going to just roll right down here where I have that share code, and we're going to go back to the page manager, right? You got the share code, and let me get out of this page because I don't need it. So what we're going to do, we're going to come get that share code. That's the share code you want to import for this list, okay? This is going to immediately import that follow-up email sequence into your list. So once you're back to your list and you've copied that share code, I want you guys to come over here and look at all these buttons on the right-hand side. And if you click right here where it's going to say reset, it's going to say import. We got to import. Wait a minute. In the email manager. Hold on. Let me go to the email. I'm sorry, guys. My mistake. Let me go to the email series, the follow-up series, because that's what we want. And I got a lot of light coming through my window, so this is what's my vision is a little bit obstructed, right? Let me see. Can I get back to the email campaign? Okay, so there we go. Images. This light is killing me. Email series. Okay, come back to the top and go to the email series. Okay, so there's the new list. And now we're on email series, right, guys? This is the new list that I just created. We don't know what we're going to do is we're going to come in here where it says import. We're going to click import. We're going to take that share code that I just gave you guys, and we're going to paste it right in that block, and we're going to hit import now. Please select if you want to replace or add to the existing episodes. Right. I don't have any existing episodes, so I'm just going to say replace all existing and include welcome email. We're going to do that too, guys, because there's a welcome email included. So we're going to say yes if applicable, and it is, and we're going to hit it, and almost instantly, guys, you should see those emails just populated inside of my Leads Leap membership, and they'll populate inside of your Leads Leap membership as well. Now, the next thing you want to do, guys, is go into each of these emails and edit them out with your particular affiliate link. I don't know what what you guys want to do. This is a club membership follow-up emails that I use for that. I'll click and let you guys see. You know this is part of the Leads Leap Capture Page Club, so obviously this email speaks to that. Always send yourself a test email after you've done all the editing that you want to do, and a test email has been sent to me, and a test email will be sent to you. You can see the body of the email. And you guys will go in and make sure all of your links are going where you want your links to go, right? This is an incredible email, by the way. I'm going to close it up. You guys saw me just add the image. There's the image that I popped in there for that. Everything is nice, connected, smooth. I'm going to close the box. I'm going to run over to my Gmail. And hopefully, guys, that email would have come to my email inbox. And there it goes, guys. Welcome to the club. I'm going to click. It's going to open up the email. You guys saw me do that, guys. And I don't think that took me over 10 minutes to actually complete this. That's the beauty of these 7-second share codes. Your particular first welcome email will welcome your prospects. You'll have that actual follow-up email campaign. Again, go in and edit it out. Of course, I'm talking to my particular prospects from the desktop or myself. And everything you want clickable can be clickable, guys. You can make everything do what it is you want it to do, right? And so I like to take you guys and my potential prospects back to the original page they came through at first, giving them additional information, resources, tools, techniques, strategies they can use. And of course, there's the signature 1 million ways to market, and you can put any other links you want to in here, by the way. But if they click 1 million ways to market, hopefully it'll populate. My computer's been cooking, kind of funny. 1 million ways to market will take my prospects. It will take you guys over to 1 million ways to market. My computer's been kind of slow, so maybe that's why it's kind of hesitant. Doesn't matter. That's how simple and easy it is, guys, when it comes to actually doing that process inside of the Leads Leap Capture Page Club, guys. And that's how you actually create your first list. And that's how you use an actual share code to import a 30-day follow-up email campaign. I hope that makes sense to you guys. I hope you guys are following along. And I'll meet you guys in the next video where we'll continue connecting your funnel.